Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric, and today we are going to take a highway POV test drive on this 2022 Genesis GV80 Prestige. And in this highway POV test drive, we're going to test its assist system, namely adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and the semi-autonomous lane centering that comes with this car. And yeah, other than that, it's just going to be a quick little POV test drive to tell you and show you how to drive a Genesis GV80 that's fully loaded on the highway. But before we do that, if you want to hear all my thoughts about this GV80 and figure out if it's actually a good car, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my full review where I talk about everything from the interior to the exterior, drive it plenty, and of course we're going to compare it to the competition. With that being said, let's go and merge. Alright, and one. Let's get up to speed. And right away we can test maybe the lane keep assist. Let's see what the car does. And its steer does back very quickly. So whenever I do this, that means I am not actively steering. Okay, I'm just here hovering my hands so we can intervene, and because legally I have to keep the hands on the steering wheel because none of the systems we test today is fully autonomous system. So just so you know, that means car's doing the steering. That means I'm doing the steering. But we're gonna go back to the middle lane here. I'm gonna give lane keep assist one more shot. Just wanna make sure we don't impede anyone. See, with that guy just behind us, let's turn on the highway. Well, no, sorry, not the highway driving assist. That's a different system. There's just so many systems these days. Okay, it's just, sometimes you get confused. I mean the semi-autonomous lane centering. So now the car is steering and automatically centering itself. The nice thing is it is not coupled to the adaptive cruise control. That means we can do this right now, steer, let the car steer, and at the same time use the paddles ourselves to adjust speed and distance, which is very nice. But speaking of adaptive cruise control, there's a gap on the left hand side, which we are going to take and use to turn on adaptive cruise control. Let's put that up. Okay. And we also have automatic lane changes, so let's see how that works. Let's put the distance down. Just gotta find a gap, because based on my experience with the GV70, it's not perfect, but we'll see. It does need quite a bit of room, and we don't have that much room here on the Gardner at 10 in the morning on a Monday. So we'll find out. And the car's doing a lane change. There you go. My hands on steering. It does work. Actually better than it was in the GV70. Let's see if it does work into a turn though. Nope. Okay. It's a little confused. There we go. Okay. That took a while. It's kind of, the turn took precedence, which is important. The turn is kind of like #1 priority, but yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't really use it, I'll be honest. It's more of a gimmick, unlike in Super Cruise or something where it actually, automatically decides when to change lanes, and it's autonomous, so you don't even have to have your hands on the steering wheel. But still need to have and see these systems kind of evolve and get better over time. But that means we have tested everything we wanted to test, so why don't we just I'll stay quiet for a little bit, for a minute or two, and give you a chance to actually hear how it is to drive the Genesis GV80 on the highway. Okay, but I think with that we can conclude our highway POV test drive here today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you a bit more insight into how it is to drive this GV80 on the highway. We have 2 more POV test drives, one in the city where we test the smoothness of the drivetrain, and another one on the, well, not on, at night in the countryside. You can tell it's still a little tired here in the morning. Anyhow, we'll test the high beams, the headlights, and the automatic high beams, kind of see how well the car illuminates the roads. But like I said, for all my thoughts, make sure to click in the top right hand corner or somewhere on your screen right now for my full review. And if you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe to the video to not miss any more content. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I'll see you next one. Thank you and goodbye.